Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to solve the issue that if it is taking too much time from your lock screen to your welcome screen. So once you have logged in to your PC and from the lock screen, it is taking too much of time. It is showing you loading for a good 30 to 40 seconds and then it is showing your welcome screen. Then this might be an issue, so that we need to solve. Okay, so we are going to discuss the solution in this video, so stick with me till the very end of the video. So the solution is pretty simple. All you need to do is just right click on the start icon and go to settings. In this settings, you need to go to personalization. Now this would work for Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. In case of Windows 11, you might see a bit different options, but they just would be same. I am showing on a Windows 10 PC for now. So just go on personalization. In personalization, you will find on the left hand menu a sign that says lock screen. So just go to lock screen. If you scroll down, you will see an option that says show lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. So just toggle it to off. Once you've done this, just restart your system and the delay from your lock screen to the sign in screen or the welcome screen would have been solved. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.